We're just ordinary people. We don't go as way it goes. All right, what is up, guys? Today we are just trade recap of today's trades. This trade recap's a bit late. I've been low key very busy. But here let's get right into it. Going to the day, I am up $1.82. I went break even today, so let's get started. Break even on all accounts. Let's see, on 2 accounts, and then yeah, let's get started. So going to the day, I was bullish bias. 4-hour was just placing 4-hour fair value gap, so I was like, okay, bullish bias it is. Dropped down to the 15-minute. Obviously market open, it just shot up. I couldn't catch anything here. It's all good. So then I did a 10 a.m. power 3. This was the 10 a.m. opening. As you can tell, price at the time, price tapped this. So this is where I entered. So price opened up here, right? And then price eventually came down to this 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute fair value gap here, right? So then I'm like, okay, look, this looks good. We're bullish. We're very bullish. We're probably not going to retrace. Probably just going to be a tap and go, whatever, right? So then I dropped down to the 1. Or I dropped down to the 5, actually. Yeah, this is the 5. So this is the 5, right? We tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. And then I'm like, okay, look, this looks decent, right? We have a 5-minute rejection block. And then I'm like, okay, this looks decent. Drop down to the 15-second. I usually go on the 30-second for the time frame alignment, just to be more clear. As you can tell, there wasn't much on the 30-second, but I dropped down to the 15-second, I think, for this trade. I like to do 30-second, but it's fine. As you can tell, we had a fair value gap nested inside this rejection block here. And that's where I kind of entered. So basically, 5-minute fair value gap with the 5-minute rejection, long wick, 5-minute rejection. And then I ended up entering as soon as we tapped that rejection block, which was here. Long position here. And then my stops were here. And I moved my stop loss pretty fast, to be honest with you. So basically what happened here was we tapped, and then we just went. And then once we inverse this fair value gap, I'm like, okay, look, this looks decent. I'm going to go ahead and move my stops to break even. This fair value gap should get respected. This inversion fair value gap should get respected, plus this volume balance here. And we had resting equal highs up here. So I was very confident in this draw on liquidity. So I moved my stops to break even, right? Whatever. And then we ended up getting stopped out. And then price ended up pushing back up. Went down and then just consolidated and just pushed back up to more highs. But yeah, up like $5 today, whatever. It's fine. Break even day. Hopefully tomorrow we can bounce back and make more. And yeah, on that late recap. But yeah, up about $5 today. But other than that, I will catch you guys all tomorrow.